Hello, it's Tom from Oracle Time, and today we're taking a really quick look at the brand new Glashutte Original Senator Excellence Perpetual Calendar Limited Edition. So here it is. Obviously the big difference from the usual watch is this beautiful salmon dial, which is made from galvanized rose opaline. The indices and hands are actually gold also, but they've been galvanized with the blue finish, so it looks really striking. In terms of the price and availability, it's limited to 100 pieces. It comes in at £18,200, so it's one of the more accessible perpetual calendars on the market. And as you can see, and as we've come to expect from Glashütte Original, it's beautifully finished. We have this contrasting polished and brushed steel case, open case back with the rotor adorned with the double G's. And it's an absolutely stunning looking watch, and really should be considered if you're in the market for a perpetual calendar.